Things have been pretty weird in the TheIdahood lately. There's been a coffee maker following me around. It's everywhere. Everywhere I go, it's right around the corner! So I brought in my boy Jay Rod from the west side. Help me out. He's pretty experienced with these kinds of things.
So, in my day, we had stuff following us around all the time. We had coffee makers, blenders, toasters. Man, those things can get a little out of hand. But I've had some experience, and I think I have a pretty good idea on how to take it down.
Alright, man. With things like this, you just gotta face your fears.
Dude, it's too scary for me. I can't handle this. I can't handle it.
The only way you're gonna get past this is if you just face it. You just gotta take the line and tame it.
Dude, this is hard for me. You know, I had issues with coffee makers since I was a little boy.
Well, do you want to get past this?
I do. I can't handle it anymore. I need to get past it.
You're gonna have to do it. It's the only way.
I'll do it.
I'll lasso the cow and ride.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. What up? Oh yeah. Thanks, bro. Good work.
No problem. Deal with it all the time.
Oh! It's out to kill us.
That's hot.